What is up, guys? Nathan Brewer, the Nathan Brewer Real Estate Team. I am over here on the far northeast side of San Antonio, just outside 1604 on I-35 in the Schertz area. This is a cool little community called Bindseil Farms. Right now I am at the model home for Meritage Homes, and guys, they have got a lot of stuff going on out here. Great incentives for buyers to get in this home right now. One of their incentives is up to 3.75% of the sales price you get back, and you can use that money either in closing costs, for upgrades, to buy down your interest rate, however you want to use that money. So for example, if your home costs $500,000, they will give you 3.75% of that back to use however you'd like. So an awesome incentive there. So definitely come check them out in regards to that. Also, guys, what they got going on is another incentive where you can refinance within 24 months of buying the home if interest rates fall, and you can do that for free. There is no more closing cost if you need to refinance within that time frame. And so that's a huge savings to you guys, because we just do not know what interest rates are going to do. So for example, if interest rates close in the next 2 years, interest rates drop, excuse me, in the next 2 years, you can refinance for free and not pay a dime. So this is a definitely great time to get in if you are looking to buy. Anyway, let's go check this model home out and see what Meritage has to offer. All right, guys, that's the tour of this wonderful Meritage home here in Bindseil Farms here in Schertz, Texas. All prices in this subdivision, guys, are right around, you know, 500,000. You know, it can goes up to about 550, go a little lower than 500. But that's kind of the going rate here in the subdivision. And once again, they have great incentives to help you get in the home of your dreams, guys. We're here to help you in any way that we can. I have great lenders that can help you. I'll do whatever I can to make sure that it is the best fit for you guys. So reach out to me. If you have any questions, no obligations, no questions asked. You know, I am here to help, but feel free to shoot me a text. That is the best way to get a hold of me. Give me a call or even email me, guys. All that information is below. So if you ever need anything, that is the way to get a hold of me. Once again, guys, if you love what I'm putting out, if you enjoy these videos, smash that like button, shoot me a comment, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to help you out in any way I can, guys. Anyway, have a wonderful day, take care, and we will see you on the next video.